Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we will be going over every single way to solve quadratics. There are 5 fundamental ways to solve any quadratic equation. The first and probably the easiest method for most students is factoring, which is usually taught in a unit all by itself. The second is the square root method, typically used in equations having a square term and a constant. Sometimes completing the square will be the best method, even though it may not be the easiest way to solve the quadratic. However, if nothing else works, you can always use the quadratic formula or graphing if allowed. It is also important to know when to use these methods when given a quadratic equation to solve. If you would like to know the best way to solve quadratics using each of these methods, check out our next tips and tricks video, which will cover how to decide which method to apply when asked to solve a quadratic. The video will be linked in the description below, as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description for other helpful resources and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.